Ang motivation kasi is just seasonal time eh. Kailangan kasi kung if you want to achieve yung kumbaga consistency, kailangan discipline eh. Kumbaga yun yung parang para sa akin important, it's who you are eh. Kaya nga lagi ko nga sinasabi even sa team building,
you are what you repeatedly do.
Excellence is not an act but a habit. Yan. It's who you are eh. Kumbaga hindi siya kasi yung motivation pag pinanood mo, parang gaganahan ka lang for now eh. Tapos short term, parang ganado ka for 1 week, tapos after that wala na. Pag nawala yung magic doon sa brain mo, parang wala na. So parang sa akin, it's part of who you are and it's not kumbaga pag may gusto ko kasing marating sa buhay, Waking Nation is really more of the journey, not the destination. Kasi there's always a million steps towards your goal eh. So dapat nafo-focus mo yung kumbaga winning the day and at the same time improving day by day. Para sa akin yun yung pinaka tip ko.